Hi there, it's Bianca with ABI, and this quick tutorial is just going to explain a little bit about our parent classes and trainings that we offer. So if you are actually trying to get more information when it comes to our workshops and you're going through our website, you will go ahead and land on our ABI main page, and then you'll see this parent classes and training tab right here. You're going to click on this first tab, which will take you to this page that I'm already on. And if you scroll down, you'll just get more information when it comes to our free bullying prevention parent classes. We are currently providing them as webinars, and we are updating those presentations as we speak, so they will actually be uploaded in this section where these are our previously recorded webinars. We do have an older one that you're able to view, but stay tuned. We're going to have new updated webinars in English and Spanish provided here soon. So if you would like to request a training, you are an individual or an organization, please feel free to fill out our parent training form. Super easy and convenient to fill out, and just let us know that you want it as a webinar, since we are currently not providing them in person. And we will go ahead and get back to you within 48 hours to accommodate that for you as well. So as you can see, when I scroll down, once you fill that out, just hit submit, and we will get back to you as soon as we possibly can. If you would like any more information when it comes to different topics, we actually have our Take 30 webinars. So if you just go back to the same tab, go ahead and click on this second option, Take 30 webinars, and it will take you to our Take 30 webinar page, where if you scroll down, you will get to see our past webinar replays. And there's just different topics. If you want to know a little bit more about how to find calm in the midst of change, we do have this first webinar listed here. We have a webinar that was geared towards teens and adults, where it covered the topic of enabling conversations around healthy and unhealthy relationships during COVID-19. And then we also have different webinars when it comes to suicide prevention, or the importance and benefits of play during childhood development. They're all well-rounded and diverse. So just go ahead and click on those. It'll take you to our YouTube page, and you can take advantage of those at your own convenience. If you would like the PowerPoints to these presentations, just go ahead and click on this link, and it will take you to that page where you can take advantage of that. And I just recommend hit subscribe on our YouTube page, and you can just stay up to date on any future webinars that we will be holding. So I hope this was helpful, and like I said, please stay tuned for our upcoming recorded parent training webinars. And if you would like to schedule one, take advantage. You can also do it from the convenience of your own phone as well. Thank you.